Now, if you've ever watched Aquila and the Bee, then you'll love this story. A 7th grader from OKC is representing Central Oklahoma at the Scripps National Spelling Bee in D.C. this May. Archer Thompson is a student from Odyssey Leadership Academy in OKC, winning the Thunder Regional Spelling Bee earlier this week and qualifying him to represent in the National Spelling Bee.
That regional spelling bee welcomed the top 25 spellers across the region to compete at the Paycom Center. Students were challenged with nearly 200 words during that competition. With spring having officially sprung, some very important trees in D.C. are in full bloom. The cherry blossom trees in our nation's capital were given as a gift from the mayor of Tokyo 111 years ago, where they continue to attract millions of visitors yearly.
And they are beautiful, but you've got to be quicker than that if you want to see them, as the National Park Service announces the peak bloom is March 22nd through 25th. And Kyle, speaking of spring, if you've been looking for a reason to do some spring cleaning, then
I guess.
I know I need to. Now, if you've been thinking about it, you might want to check behind the walls. A couple in northern England were remodeling their kitchen when workers found 2 murals that are believed to be nearly 400 years old.
Historic England, a public body that looks after the country's historic environment, says the art is from the 17th century. The murals depict a biblical scene and were replicated in full scale for the couple to keep in their apartment.
I hope I find something like that behind the
No
walls.
way! I mean, usually you find mold or bugs or something, but I mean, they got at least something good behind their walls. Well, 3D printing machines have been able to create a lot of things, from furniture and shoes to human organs and even a rocket. Now engineers are asking this question: can it create and bake a dessert? Well, engineers at Columbia University used a 3D printing machine and laser technology to whip up a 7-ingredient vegan cheesecake. That's according to a study published in an academic journal.
And it looks a little bit tasty, and researchers say the experiment was a step towards practical application of 3D printing in mechanically assembled food. One of the co-authors of the study says that the way the food was made shouldn't be off-putting, as it is much likely to be used in an oven or microwave. However, he did add that he is looking into exploring how cooking with lasers might affect food at the molecular level.